Welcome back to Daytime Live. The Johnsons is the newest family to grace our local screens. Now joining us to tell us all about it, we have Sabrina Thomas and Shoshana Lamont. Welcome, ladies.
Welcome.
Thank you for
having us.
All right, so before we get into the characters or your characters on the show, can you tell us about the show in general? What is it about?
The Johnsons is a typical middle-class family, but they have problems dealing with their issues within the household. It starts with the head of the house, Cornelius Johnson. He's a retired army officer who still thinks that he's in the army. Yes, really strict. So he treats everybody, you know, like we're under.
Well, the man named Cornelius.
Mr. Cornelius Johnson here.
Yes. Right. But it's also about effective communication within the family household, amongst families, and also, most importantly, the connection between a father and his daughter. Because that is important, and that also impacts us women throughout our lives.
Your relationship with your father is very, very important.
Yeah.
And I believe that we're going to see a little clip.
Oh, yes.
We have a clip.
You have
All right,
a
let's see. Before we talk some more, let's take a little look at a clip from the Johnsons.
How much? How much?
Thanks, Daddy. Mr. Johnson.
I don't have any more money.
We're not calling a poor father.
Yes, we have.
That's smart. That's a good way to do it. Oh. A daddy over here is like,
Me know that's something there.
you've been through it.
Me know that's
You've
something
been
there.
through it. Oh, good.
Okay, now, tell us about your roles now.
You want to go first?
Yes, let's start with the army.
Yeah,
army
Shoshana,
girl.
tell us.
All right, so
She like the con man and you are the... Yeah.
All right, so I portray the character Claren Johnson.
Chlorine?
Chlorine.
Okay.
Chlorine.
All right. Chlorine, okay.
Claren Johnson. She's 18 years old.
Okay.
She is basically like a walking, talking dictionary,
Okay.
right? She has a very impressive, high vocabulary, IQ. She has a 4.0 GPA.
Oh, that's flawless. Okay.
Right, and she basically thinks that her knowledge base surpasses everyone in the household, right? So she basically loves challenging her father because he acts as if he knows everything.
Right.
And I know more, so
Right.
I ensure that I basically let him know.
Okay. So Chlorine, 18-year-old,
Right.
IQ
So the
up
nerd,
there. Right.
yes.
And Sabrina, you are Chlorine and...
Me.
Chlorine and May? Okay.
No, you have to say it properly, please. It's not. It's actually May. May.
No stress. No.
Oh, you mean?
I feel like she have a stutter with okay. Tell us about your character, Sabrina.
She's 23 years of age. She's still in college. She has a good relationship with her sister. She's the eldest of the two daughters. I can say her personality comes off as privileged. She's a privileged child. She's in love.
Oh, that's nice.
And she's into fashion and basically she likes the hype.
That's her. So Sabrina, I've worked with you in many plays
Yes,
before.
we have worked.
Haven't worked with you just yet.
Right.
But you guys had the opportunity to work with veteran
Trust me.
actor Owen Blacker Ellis and of course Rosemary Murray.
And string bean.
And String Bean. We worked with String Bean too. What was that like, ladies?
It was great. It was great. Yes, I've shared stage with Rosie Michael before. It's my first time working with Blacka Ellis, and it's been really good. They're very, very encouraging and supportive, and we have a lot of fun.
Right.
So like too much fun. What do you think, Shana?
I must say that I am honored, really and truly, because this is basically my first big production, my major production, and I've learned a lot, my weaknesses, my strengths, as well as, little nuances that I need in my performances. I mean, I can't pay for the guidance, the mentorship. It's invaluable, so.
All right, so the show was shot in front of a live studio audience, though. Yes. What was that experience like for you?
Me love excitement.
And, I mean, we have the experience with stage.
So it was fun for me. I like that. I like all of that.
Yeah, I mean, the adrenaline. I mean, we have been doing this for a while, stage play. So I think it's the same process, the same feel. So
Right.
it was a bit easier.
Made for film versus stage, or it was just shot
It's different with film because, the camera, not so great. But stage, I love the live audience in my ears. I love it.
We had to do changes. Of course. And, we basically had privileges to stop, go,
And fix.
And fix.
If you could say one sentence, what you want viewers to take away from the series, just one sentence, what would you each say, ladies? Shoshana.
I'd say just communicate with it. Communicate with it. Yes, it's very important within a household.
Love that.
And fathers, please try to have relationship with their kids.
Right.
Love that.
Agreed. All right, so tell us again, though, when season 1 kicks off, and how can we find you on social media?
Season 1 kicks off when this Sunday, February 4th.
Yes, at 8:30, right after primetime news. So don't have TV.
And quickly, how do we find you ladies on social media?
Production, Faith Production at 902 Instagram.
And
personal?
Writers Right.
Okay.
Writers Right. That's it. Instagram.
Awesome. Fathers talk to your daughters, daughters talk to your fathers.
Communication is important.
I think communication is something that we all
Definitely.
are working on. On that note, Daytime Lab, we'll be right back.